Imagine enjoying a luxury resort, lounging by a beautiful pool, sipping your favorite drink, relaxing in a spa. But here's the twist. You didn't book a room. No overnight stay, no expensive vacation. Just one simple pass. Today, I'm going to show you how Resort Pass is changing the way people experience luxury travel, and how you can take advantage of it right now. Welcome back to the channel! If you love travel, relaxation, or even just finding smart ways to enjoy life without overspending, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into a platform that's been growing fast across the US and beyond. It's called Resort Pass, and it might just be the ultimate daycation hack. So, what exactly is Resort Pass? In simple terms, it's a platform that lets you book access to luxury hotel amenities without actually staying overnight. We're talking about resort pools, private beaches, spa facilities, fitness centers, cabanas, and daybeds. All for just a day. And the best part? Prices can start as low as around $25, depending on the location and experience. That means you can enjoy a high-end resort experience at a fraction of the cost. Let's break down how it works. It's actually super simple. Step 1. Go to the website or app and search your location. Step 2. Choose your date and browse available resorts. Step 3. Pick your experience. Maybe a pool pass, a spa day, or even a private cabana. Step 4. Book it. Once you're confirmed, you'll receive a booking ID. Then on the day of your reservation, you show up, check in, and enjoy your day. No overnight stay required. That's it. You've basically unlocked a mini vacation without the commitment. So why is Resort Pass becoming so popular? First, affordability. Luxury hotels can cost hundreds per night, but now you can enjoy the same amenities for a fraction of that price. Second, flexibility. You don't need to plan a full trip. You can literally book something for tomorrow. Third, convenience. Perfect for locals who want a quick escape without traveling far. And fourth, variety. With access to over 2,000 hotels across hundreds of cities, there's always something new to try. Whether you're planning a solo relaxation day, a romantic date, or a fun outing with friends, this platform fits the vibe. Let's talk real-life scenarios. Maybe you live in a busy city and just need a break. Instead of booking a full vacation, you grab a day pass.